Pumpkin seed oil, the hidden treasure inside a channel. Welcome back, everyone, and thank you for joining us. Here we explore the fascinating world of natural oils, traditional ingredients, and the hidden treasures that nature has given us. And today we're discovering an oil that may look simple at first, but behind its dark green color is a story filled with tradition, culture, and natural beauty. Pumpkin seed oil. You may know pumpkins from autumn recipes, soups, desserts, and seasonal celebrations. But have you ever wondered what happens to the tiny seeds hidden inside? Those little seeds can be transformed into a rich, distinctive oil that has been appreciated in parts of Europe for generations. So, what makes pumpkin seed oil so special? Where did this tradition begin? Why does the oil have such a fascinating color? And how is it used in food and natural beauty today? Stay with us until the end, because we're going to uncover the story behind this remarkable oil. And along the way, you may never look at a pumpkin seed the same way again. Chapter 1. Where does pumpkin seed oil come from? Every bottle of pumpkin seed oil begins with something incredibly small, a pumpkin seed. But behind that tiny seed is a long tradition. In parts of Central Europe, particularly Austria, Slovenia, and surrounding regions, pumpkin seed oil has been part of local food culture for generations. One of the best-known varieties is Styrian pumpkin seed oil, traditionally produced from the seeds of a special variety of pumpkin. The seeds are carefully prepared before the oil is extracted. And when the oil finally appears, you immediately notice that it is different from many common cooking oils. It can have a deep green appearance, a rich aroma, and a distinctive nutty taste. For people who grew up with it, this isn't simply an oil. It is part of their culinary heritage. Chapter 2. The mystery behind its color. Now, let's talk about one of the most fascinating things about pumpkin seed oil: its color. Depending on the variety, production method, and lighting, pumpkin seed oil can appear deep green, almost black, or reveal reddish tones. And that unusual appearance comes from naturally occurring pigments and compounds found in the seeds. Imagine pouring a little onto a bright white plate. At first, it may look almost black, but as the light passes through it, beautiful shades of green and red can begin to appear. It's a reminder that sometimes the most interesting details are hidden beneath the surface. Chapter 3. What makes pumpkin seed oil interesting? Pumpkin seed oil contains a variety of naturally occurring compounds. It is particularly known for its unsaturated fatty acids, including linoleic acid and oleic acid. It also naturally contains vitamin E compounds and other antioxidant components. But it's important to keep expectations realistic. Pumpkin seed oil isn't a miracle cure. And no single food or natural oil can replace a balanced diet, healthy lifestyle, or medical treatment. Instead, pumpkin seed oil can simply be appreciated as an interesting natural ingredient with a unique nutritional and culinary profile. And that's what makes it so fascinating. It's not about magic. It's about understanding what nature has to offer. Chapter 4. How is pumpkin seed oil used? So, how do people actually use this unique oil? In traditional European cooking, pumpkin seed oil is often used as a finishing oil. Rather than exposing it to intense heat, many people drizzle it over food after cooking. Picture a warm bowl of soup, a fresh garden salad, roasted vegetables, or a simple piece of fresh bread. Just a small amount can add a deep, nutty flavor. In Austria, pumpkin seed oil is particularly associated with salads and traditional regional dishes. For many families, it is more than an ingredient. It is a taste connected to home, family, harvest, and tradition. Chapter 5. Pumpkin seed oil and natural beauty. But the story doesn't stop in the kitchen. Pumpkin seed oil has also found a place in the world of natural beauty. Because it contains fatty acids and other naturally occurring compounds, some people include it in their skincare and hair care routines. It may be used as a carrier oil or included in cosmetic formulations. Some people use it as part of a moisturizing skincare routine. Others incorporate it into hair care products and routines. However, everyone's skin is different. If you're trying a new oil directly on your skin, it's always wise to test a small amount on a limited area first. Natural doesn't automatically mean suitable for everyone. Understanding how your own skin reacts is important. Chapter 6. More than an oil, a European tradition. Perhaps the most beautiful part of pumpkin seed oil isn't the bottle sitting on a kitchen shelf. It's the history behind it. For generations, communities in parts of Europe have passed knowledge from one generation to another. They learned how to grow pumpkins, how to collect and prepare the seeds, and how to transform something small into something valuable. A simple seed became part of family meals, part of local traditions, and part of the identity of certain agricultural regions. This is what makes traditional ingredients so fascinating. They don't just tell us what people ate. They tell us about the land they lived on, the seasons they followed, and the traditions they chose to preserve. Chapter 7. How to choose pumpkin seed oil. If you decide to try pumpkin seed oil yourself, there are a few simple things to consider. First, check the label carefully. Look for a clear ingredient list and make sure the product is intended for the purpose you have in mind. If you want to use it in cooking, choose a product specifically labeled for culinary use. And if you're interested in the traditional European experience, you can explore regional varieties such as Styrian pumpkin seed oil. Remember that flavor, color, and aroma can vary depending on the pumpkin variety, production method, and place of origin. Sometimes discovering a new oil is also discovering a new part of the world. Final chapter, the treasure inside the seed. So, the next time you see a pumpkin, take a moment to think about what is hiding inside. Thousands of tiny seeds. And inside those seeds is the potential for something remarkable. A rich oil with a distinctive color, a unique flavor, a long European tradition, and a fascinating place in modern culinary culture and natural beauty. Pumpkin seed oil teaches us a simple lesson. Sometimes the most extraordinary discoveries are hidden inside the smallest things. You don't always have to look far. Sometimes, you simply have to look closer. Red Heart, thank you and subscribe. Thank you so much for spending these few minutes with us. We hope you enjoyed discovering the hidden story of pumpkin seed oil. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us continue exploring natural oils, traditional ingredients, and fascinating stories from around the world. And if you know someone who loves natural products, healthy cooking, or discovering unique ingredients, share this video with them. There are so many natural oils waiting to be discovered. And in our next video, we'll uncover another one. So stay curious, keep exploring, and keep discovering the hidden treasures of nature. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Red Heart.